In the name of Almighty Allah, hello audience and welcome to Dawn Times. So today we will discuss GK MCQs for CSS MP3 and the upcoming tests of FIA. So the first one is Indian Navigation System is officially known as NAVIC and it is launched by ISRO. The Indian Space Research Organization is the national space agency of India and its headquarters is located in Bangalore, Karnataka. And Kazan is a city in Russia and it is located on the bank of river Volga and Kazanka. And Astana is the official residence of which country president? So it's belong to Singapore. And Schloss Bellevue is the official residence of German president. And Hexagon Bellert is the headquarters of Armed Forces of France. And the official residential palace of the President of Ukraine is Merensky Palace, and Potala Palace is located in China. And Asia Cooperation Dialogue is intergovernmental organization formed in 2002 and its secretariat is in Kuwait. And Times Square is located in New York, United States. And Red Square is a city located in Moscow. And how many Muslim countries are currently member of G20? So the total members are three. The first one is Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, and Turkey. And International Human Solidarity Day is observed annually on 20th December. And what is the total length of Hengol River? Located in Balochistan, and its total length is 560 kilometers. And Lake Superior, one of the largest lake in the world, and it is located in United States and Canada. And which country has most official languages in the world? So Zimbabwe has the most official languages in the world. And which country has largest labor force in the world? So it is China. And China is also one of the most populous country in the world, followed by India. And Pakistan stands at number 5th. And which country has most number of universities in the world? So it is India. And the parliament of Poland is Sejm. And the book Incomplete Partition was written by Alastair Lamb. And which country has most player in the list of Cricket Hall of Fame? So it is England, and cricket is the national game of England, and hockey is the national game of Pakistan. And World Milk Day is celebrated every year on 1st June. And what is the significant event that happened on Vesak Day according to the Buddhists? And Buddhism is a religion. So on Vesak Day, according to the belief of Buddhists, Lord Buddha was born. Along with Lord Buddha got enlightenment, and on Vesak Day there was a death of Lord Buddha. So Vesak Day is a special day in Buddhism, and International Food Policy Research Institute is located in Washington. And who is the youngest chairman Senate of Pakistan till now? So it is Sadiq Sanjarani, and he belongs to Balochistan. And the Pakistan Cricket Board was formed in 1947, and the headquarters of PCB is in Lahore, Punjab. And after Asia, which continent is the second most densely populated? So it is Europe, and the first one is Asia. So thank you. It's all for today. Stay tuned with us for more videos and updates. So subscribe on times. Thank you so much. God bless you all.